This tutorial will show you how to find people in Moodle and how to send them messages, whether you wish to communicate with your faculty mentor or some other participant in the course. The place to look is the participants list, which you will find at the top left of the Learning Center home page. So click on that participants list, and here is the page that you will see. At the top left of your participants page, you will see current role is set by default as all participants. You can click on that box that says all participants, and you will see the option to change it or toggle it to see, for instance, a faculty only. So here we have only the lead faculty in the course. So how are you going to send a message? First, you need to select the user that you wish to communicate with by checking the little button on the left side beside their picture and their name. Then you will secondly choose on the bottom right side, and when you click on that little box, you will see the option to send a message. The next screen you will see is a box where you can type in your message. And when you scroll down, you will see at the bottom of the screen a list of the users who you have selected to receive your message. You can message more than one person at a time. If you're satisfied with your message, you've spell checked it, and you're ready to send, just click the send message button at the bottom left, or you can click preview. When you click preview, you can preview your message and then send it, or you can update or edit it. And it's as simple as that. There is another way to get to your messages. At the top right beside your name, there is an icon that looks like a speech box. If you click on that, this will open up a menu. The messages menu has options. You can click on new message at the top, and that will take you straight into making a new message, or you can select any of the messages in that preview pane to view and respond to the conversation. Now you know how to send a message with Moodle.